Winter in Budapest can feel very cold, but that doesn't mean that you have to stay inside all day. And today, I'm here for you to help with that. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Petra, I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest, and in this video I will share you some ideas that are easy and budget-friendly to do in Budapest in winter. All manageable within one day without spending too much, rushing too much, and without freezing to death. So grab your coat and let's go! Since the days are quite short here in Budapest, I recommend you to start your day with a simple walk in the inner parts of the city. Of course, a night walk is also very nice, with all the cozy lights on, whatever your preference is actually. Obvious choices for a quick walk are the area around the Parliament, the Buda Castle, along the Danube, or where we're standing right now, the area around the St. Stephen's Basilica. We're standing here at the Liberty Square, or Szabadság Square in Hungarian, and we're going to end this walk at the Deák Ferenc Square. Let's go! Are you coming or what?
This route is one of my favorites because it hits so many iconic spots in just a short walk.
Don't forget to take a picture here.
Yes.
So cringe stuff. Fun fact that the St. Stephen's Basilica is the largest church in Budapest. And if you want another program idea, you can go up to the top of the Basilica for an amazing view to the city. Today we're going to skip it, we're just admiring the church from the ground.
From here, we'll head to Erzsébet Square, which is always buzzing with life, even in winter. In my opinion, the mix of the old buildings and the modern energy with the Budapest eye makes this area so special. If you're here in Budapest in winter, or in the summer, or basically any time, there's one street food you have to definitely try, and that is lángos.
Answer me one question.
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Then let's go and eat something. We're going to eat a lángos, which is very traditional, and if you're here, please, at least once, eat it.
Agree.
It's not optional, it's actually mandatory.
Yes.
Yeah, so eat one.
The retro lángos offers also a big variety of traditional and more interesting toppings, so choose whatever you like. We went for the traditional ones though. Lángos is a deep-fried dough, traditionally topped with sour cream, cheese and garlic. Nowadays you can actually eat it with whatever you like. You can find not just sour, but sweet lángos as well.
The garlic is very intense, more intense than usually. But in a good way.
The lángos was absolutely a 10 out of 10. Even though it was a very central and very popular lángos place, the prices are within the affordable range, especially if you go with the simpler and more traditional toppings. The dough is just perfect how it should be, crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Honestly, I was shocked how great that lángos was, so we would really recommend it to you as well. After lunch, there was one thing that we really needed to top the taste of the lángos. Budapest has so many amazing cafes. We visited many before, so if you're interested, you can check out the videos about them on the channel. But today, we tried out something new. We went for a place that is close to the Deák Square, which is one of the busiest hubs in the city. Many public transport lines go through or start from here, so if you want to go somewhere, this is a good starting point actually. We visited the café, a place that is tucked away in a courtyard between Deák Square and Astoria. It had a super cozy vibe, which was perfect for a short break. We ordered 2 cappuccinos. We liked them very much. The atmosphere of the cafe was really nice with all the green walls. We enjoyed our time there. Budapest offers many indoor programs for winter. You can visit museums, galleries, theaters, and the list goes on. But today we're going to visit something more special and more hidden. The Szabó Ervin Library is located on a little and more hidden street called Baros Street in the 8th district, in a beautiful neo-Baroque palace that was built in the 1880s. The entrance is not free. A visitor ticket costs 200 forints, a little more than 5 euros. For that, you can walk around the whole library. So first we spent some time just looking around, checking out topics that we're interested in, and just enjoyed that we're there. But this library is famous for one particular floor, the 4th floor, where the old study halls are located. Breathtaking is an understatement here, that's for sure. It was one of the most enchanting places I've ever visited. Although I think because of the many visitors, it's not the best to study here, but sitting here for a little is absolutely worth it. Going back to the entrance hall, there was a little photo exhibition about the architecture in Budapest, which was a nice addition to our visit. Finally, let's end the day with something nice. After a long day, we can get tired, but that doesn't mean that we can't see the city once more.
Ooh, someone has the steps.
The tram number 2 is one of the most scenic tram rides in Europe. You can get the best view of the Chain Bridge, the Buda Castle and the Parliament as well. If you have time, you can take this tram ride twice, once during daytime and once after dark, because the lit up Castle Hill and Parliament is even more beautiful at that time. I think this is a perfect way to end the winter day in Budapest.
And that was it, some easy and affordable things that you can do in Budapest even when it's cold. I hope that it gave you some ideas about what to do in the city when you have a little free time, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite winter activity. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel for more content about Budapest and Hungary. And that was it. See you in the next one. Bye!